Hello everyone, welcome back. So, after your conversation class, now this is the time for our EVS class. So, you all are prepared for your EVS class? You are having your EVS book? So, you all must be having this book with you? Your Environment Studies book 1? Good. So, what we are doing in EVS? Can you tell me? हम लोग डेली जो भी EVS की क्लासेस होती हैं, what we are doing in previous classes, what we have done? Yes, who will tell me? We are learning about different colors. Yes, we have learned about how many colors? Who will tell me now? Let's count how many colors we have completed. So who is going to tell me? Start from the very first color which I taught you. Yes, tell me. The first color which I taught you is red color. Yes. So can you tell me few objects that are red in color? Objects. It can be anything. One is apple. Okay. Then cherry, strawberry. Good. Anything else? We learned about so many things that are red in color. लेटर बॉक्स यू रिमेंबर, जिसमें हम लोग अपने पोस्ट लेटर्स डालते हैं, हम पोस्ट ऑफिस जाते हैं तो उसमें हम लेटर डाल के आते हैं. सो लेटर बॉक्स इज रेड इन कलर. देन सिलेंडर, गैस सिलेंडर. आपने देखा था किचन में मम्मा का गैस सिलेंडर. सो व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ द गैस सिलेंडर? इट्स रेड इन कलर. यस. एनीथिंग एल्स? लेडी बग, यू रिमेंबर दैट, जिसके ऊपर ब्लैक स्पॉट्स होते हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो रेड इन कलर. एनीथिंग एल्स एक्सेप्ट लेडी बग? और बताओ कौन सा वेजिटेबल होता है रेड इन कलर? एक उसकी राइम भी है हिंदी की बहुत अच्छी, टोमेटो. यस, टमाटर वाली राइम करते हैं ना आप. सो टोमेटो इज रेड इन कलर. देन वन मोर फ्रूट यू आर फॉरगेटिंग. Pomegranate. Yes, say anar. Pomegranate. You remember that? Then we have different jams and jellies red in color. So this is one color we have done. Which was the next color we did? Yellow color. Yes. So now quickly tell me about yellow color. Anything? Any 4 objects of yellow color? Yes. Sun. Then one fruit. Rather we have 2 fruits. So which is the king of fruit? King of fruits. Mango. Yes, and mango is yellow in color. Then we have one more fruit which don't have any seed. उसमें कोई seed नहीं होती. And that fruit is yellow in color. That is banana. Good. And one more object I want which is yellow in color. We have sun. We have counted mango. Then banana. Then one more object. I asked you for 4 objects. So one more object, sunflower. You remember sunflower? So sunflower is also yellow in color. Okay, now this is yellow color we have done. Which was the next color we discussed? Yes, which is the next color we discussed? Blue color. Yes, you remember blue color. So can you give me 4 examples of blue color objects? Any 4 examples? One is blue whale. Yes, मैम ने आपको फिश की फोटोग्राफ भी दिखाई थी ना, पिक्चर दिखाई थी. So one is blue whale. There is one fruit which is blue in color. छोटी छोटी सी berries, blueberries. Good. Then one more object, blue in color. Something that we wear as a dress. Jeans. Yes, jeans. Then one more object. Just one is left. Come on, hurry up. Come up with example. One more object. Yes, hurry up, hurry up. There's a bird. I told you about the bird also. Then, can you remember the name of that bird? Blue jay. Yes. And what is the color of sky? What is the color of sky? It's blue in color. Yes. So after that we did last color we are left with. अभी इससे पहले last कौन सा color किया था? I have something of similar color. Black color. Yes, we completed with black color. So can you tell me any 4 objects with black color? One is hat. You remember we did earbud painting in hat. Then tires. Yes, tires of all the vehicles that are black in color. Then we have hair. Hair are black in color. Anything else? One more object I want. Anything else? Kariya? Crow. Kai karti hai na crow. So this crow bird is also black in color. So we have revised all the colors that we have done in previous classes. And which color we are going to learn today? अभी तक आपने बोर्ड पे देख लिया होगा. What is the similarity among all of them? कुछ पता लग रहा है about which color we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about white color. So which color we are going to learn about? White color. So these are few examples of white color. अब आपको क्या करना है? You have to identify. We are going to identify these pictures. We will correlate them and we'll see whether they are actually white or not. Okay. So shall we start with the work? Great. So the very first, all of you first look at these things and tell me, are you able to identify them? Are you able to identify them? So the very first picture. Tell me what picture is this? Moon. तो moon कब दिखाई देता है? When we can see moon in the sky? At night. जब पूरा sky black हो जाता है, night हो जाती है, sun set हो जाता है. Sun क्या करता है? Sun sleepy mode पे आ जाता है और sun सो जाता है. Then comes the moon. Yes. So what is the color of moon? What is the color of moon? जब आपको night में moon देखते हो, so what is the color? It's white in color, isn't it? It's white in color. और moons के साथ हमें क्या दिखाई देते हैं sky में? What we can see? moon के साथ क्या दिखाई देता है? What we have in the sky? Stars. Yes, we can see stars. So there are a lot of stars in the sky. There is one moon we can see in the sky. So what is the color of both the things? Moon and stars are white in color. Yes, जब हम ऊपर देखते हैं, so they appear to be white in color. Twinkle कर रहे होते हैं stars, है ना? So they are white in color. Okay. So now moving on to the next thing. What is this? Clouds. What are these? There are a lot of clouds. Now you will say, ma'am, cloud तो आपने ये blue color के बताए थे. Yes, clouds are blue in color. They are also white in color. And when they are about to rain, जब बारिश होने वाली होती है, so these clouds turn into grey color. Okay, so there are different shades of clouds. So we can say clouds are also white in color. Now if you are sitting in the park, या आप garden में खेल रहे हो, or if you are playing somewhere out, not in your room, and you look to the sky, sky में हमें कहीं कहीं blue, कहीं कहीं पे white color के clouds दिखते हैं. Why? Those clouds are not raining clouds. उनसे बारिश नहीं होती, but those are just flying clouds. So those are white in color. Okay? So clouds are also white in color. Now, what is this? This is something we can eat also in different forms. Yes? Egg. What is this? Egg. So if you have ever seen an egg, the outer shell, जो उसकी बाहर की shell होती है, that is white in color. आपने देखा है ना egg? So that egg is white in color. अंदर उसमें yellow portion भी होता है, white portion भी होता है, but the outer shell is white in color. अच्छा, can anyone tell me कि हमें egg कहाँ से मिलता है? Who gives us egg? Who gives us egg? Hen. Yes. जो hen होती है उससे मिलते हैं हमें eggs. Okay. Now, so one is egg. So this egg is also white in color. Now comes to this part. ये क्या है? What is this? It's cotton. Cotton. आपने देखा है cotton को touch किया है कभी? पेंटिंग करती है, so she use cotton also, or we do cotton dabbing painting also, हम उसमें cotton पे कलर लगा के then we do painting. So this is cotton. Cotton is always white in color. Clear? So one example of white color is cotton also. Now what is this? Favorite of everyone. आप सबको ये बहुत पसंद है, I know that. So what is this? It's a snowman. Yes, it's a snowman. अब snowman किस चीज से बनता है? What material we need to make a snowman? अब इसको हमें बनाने के लिए what we need? We need snow, क्योंकि वो snowman है. So snow क्या होती है? जैसे रेनफॉल होती है वैसे ही जो हिली एरियाज होते हैं जहाँ ठंड ज़्यादा होती है, जो बहुत चिल्ड वेदर होता है, वहाँ पे स्नोफॉल होता है. इफ़ यू हैव एवर बीन टू हिली एरियाज फॉर योर आउटिंग्स, फॉर योर ट्रिप्स, यू विल सी स्नोफॉल होती है वहाँ पे, एंड वी यूज दैट स्नो टू मेक अ क्रिएचर लाइक दिस वी कॉल स्नोमैन. सो why the snowman is white in color? Because snow is white in color. स्नो वाइट होती है तो उसको जब यूज करके स्नोमैन बनाते हैं, so snowman is also white in color. Clear all? Okay. Now one basic ingredient, ये हम रोज खाने में खाते हैं, मम्मा के किचन में हमेशा अवेलेबल होता है. So what is this? It's salt, जिसको आप नमक कहते हैं, salt. तो this salt is white in color. आप जाना मम्मा को बोलना, मम्मा प्लीज शो मी सम salt and मम्मा will show you. So salt is white in color. Salt कैसे कहाँ यूज होता है? It is used in vegetables. जब मम्मा वेजिटेबल बनाते हैं तो उसमें टेस्ट के लिए डाला जाता है. This is salt. Then we have sugar. आप शुगर मिल्क पीते हो? So milk. What is the color of milk? Basic color. देखो आप उसमें बॉर्नविटा मिक्स करते हो, हॉर्लिक्स मिक्स करते हो तो उसका कलर चेंज होता है. बट व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ मिल्क एक्चुअली? वाइट. एंड हु गिव्स अस मिल्क? हमें मिल्क कौन देता है? कहाँ से मिलता है हमें मिल्क? काउ. एंड व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ काउ? Cow is also white in color, isn't it? So we have so many links. Now milk is white in color. Milk में when mama gives us milk, she adds some sugar. So what is the color of sugar? Sugar is also white in color, isn't it so? So we have collected so many things that are white in color. I have few more examples. Have you ever seen a rabbit? Rabbit देखा है आपने? खरगोश. So what is the color of rabbit? Rabbit is also white in color, isn't it? आपने देखा है ना, rabbit बोरों में रहते हैं and the color is white. Then we have a bear. Bears are generally जो हमारे wild animals होते हैं, those bears who lives in jungle, they are black in color, brown in color. But we have a bear that is polar bear. Polar bear वो कहाँ रहते हैं? स्नो में रहते हैं. जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया ना, स्नो में जो हिली एरियाज में हमें स्नो मिलती है, सेम एक पोलर बेयर होता है जो स्नोई रीजन में, दे लिव इन स्नोई रीजन, एंड दोज बेयर्स आर white in color and we call them polar bears. What we call them? Polar bears. Okay, so one is polar bear, white in color. Then we have sugar, white in color. Milk is white in color. Then rabbit, I told you, rabbit is white in color. खरगोश, आपने खरगोश देखा है? So खरगोश and rabbit are same, they are white in color. Then anything else? आप बताओ मैम को one example of white. Okay, now look here. Can you see I have drawn all the objects on a paper. So what is the color of this paper? What is the color of this paper? Paper is also white in color. Yes. अब आप जो drawing करते हो, when we do drawing like this, so our drawing file is having plain sheets. Those plain sheets are in which color? They are in white color. Yes. And if you go, we find erasers. So you use eraser when you do some mistake in your notebook. You use erasers. So those erasers are, they come in different color, but we can have eraser in white color also. So we can say eraser is white in color. Now what is this? Ma'am used this to write on board. So what is this? Chalk. And which color chalk is this? It's a white color chalk. Yes, what is this? It's a white color chalk. So we have chalk, white in color. So there are lot of examples of white color. Clear all? So now what you have to do? You also have to collect some objects, not in the object form, but just collect some names of things that are white in color. Clear everyone? So now I have a small activity for you all to do. You all want to do that activity? So let's start how to do this activity. For doing this activity, what you need? You need plain white paper, some cotton, marker pens and pencil. So let's see what activity we are going to do with white color. Things you need is a marker pen, a sheet. So what you can do this activity in your drawing file also. You have a blue color drawing file, so this activity can be done there. Cotton, Fevicol. The first thing is, I am drawing with a marker. You can use a sketch pen or a pencil to draw a cloud. So the first thing we need to do is, we are going to draw a cloud here. So this is a cloud, and what we have to do? We have to do cotton pasting activity. So when you are doing this work in your file, write today's date there, 17/7/2020. Clear all? So after drawing the cloud, you will first apply some Fevicol. Like this, and after applying the Fevicol, just take some cotton, layers. So you have to take out the layers of cotton like this to bring a good finishing in your work. So after taking out layers, try to paste your cotton just inside the borders which we have drawn using a marker. So first paste the cotton on the borders like this. So try to bring a finishing. So this work needs to be done under the guidance of your elders. Clear? When you'll take out these layers now, it will be done with so finishing that you'll like to do it. See? Now our cloud is ready. Can you see this? It's looking like a real cloud, fluffy cloud made out of cotton. So do this activity. I hope that you have enjoyed your activity. So do this activity at home under the guidance of your parents or any elder. And in book, you have to do page number 29. So here there are some pictures to be colored and some objects to be circled around. So in book also you have to do book page number 29. So this is your homework, book page number 29, and the activity which we have done. you have to do this activity under your elders' guidance. Clear? So till let's meet in the next class with something new. Till then, bye and take care.